Alright guys, so we're actually in Richmond, okay? And we're in the Ranger, as you can see. We got the Ranger out here. We're gonna go off-roading in this thing, okay? So we did the 4x4 switch, we leveled it out, we got a little more clearance up front. We should be doing good off-road, kinda. It's been driving really well. I took the highway, the freeway the whole way here, and it's been awesome, no issues. It's actually kind of fun to drive something different from your normal car. But yeah, I'm just waiting on Luke. My buddy Luke got a 99 Cherokee as well, the same one as Dawson, same color and everything. Guy's kind of a copycat, but that's the way it goes. Triangle Road again, because I think that's a good spot to see if this thing's worthy of off-road and see how it does on the off-road terrain, just the way it is until we mod it. Look at that level, way better. I didn't notice that it was too stiff actually driving it. Make sure you guys check out all the videos on this thing. It's just starting pretty much, the build. Look how good it looks though. Like for the 98, like the paint job's actually really nice. I'm about to ruin this thing, but at least it was good now. It's a bit rusty, but just look at this thing. Like the little hole there, it's minor. The spare tire, I don't even know if it'll work if I need it, but it's a full sand out here. Got the shackle on the rear in case, not in case, but when Luke gets stuck because he doesn't know how to drive. Got the side dump exhaust. Hopefully that doesn't fall off today. Before we even start, guys, are you kidding? Oh my gosh. Running into instant problems here. My weld job, I tested the welds and it was fine. This is Luke's whip. He's driving away. He has like a chained up exhaust. Is he seriously putting in a 4x for that? Okay. It's capable. This is the off-road spot. Luke's the 4x4 master. Dude, that was sick. This is the off-road spot, by the way. It's pretty crazy out here. Alright guys, Ranger's doing good so far. It is really bumpy with the torsion setup. She actually does pretty well in the sand. I'm in 2-wheel still, I haven't gone into 4 yet. So we'll see how it goes, but it actually it's so much fun just driving something and you know you have another ride at home, so if this blows up, you're good. Oh, it's pretty, okay, easy. Don't tell me he's stuck there, this guy's flexing. Easy. Pretty much stock Cherokee, so it's kind of cool. We got the stock rigs out. It's buzzing over here. All right, so we got this dip. The Ram was able to do it. So I got faith in this little buddy here. 2-wheel drive star. Let's see how she goes. Oh, we're good. Woo! Nice and easy. There's Luke. Luke's through. Oh, you got it? Yeah. You're good, you got clearance? Woo! Really surprised in the performance of this thing. I'm actually so stoked. It's doing so well. I haven't even put it in 4x yet. It's just such a little rig that it can do all this Jeep stuff. It's so much fun. My other truck, my Ram, I'm just worried about it bottoming out all the time. This one, I just don't care. Makes off-roading a lot more fun. Getting some BC pinstripe.
Oh, shit.
Oh, Luke.
He's gonna do it too. He's gonna do it too.
Heads up. Oh.
dummy?
It said it was, but it wasn't.
Okay.
There, this one's way higher. Can you get me another?
Dude, it's just boiling. Guys got craft dinner. Dude, put some craft dinner in there. Woohoo! It's leaking. It's just his overflow though.
Yeah, that's fine. Remember when I said, yo,
Jeez, just let it cool down. Okay, so the Ranger wasn't going in 4. That's why I was stuck there just spinning. I fixed the motor as you guys saw. But it's in 4 again. It's a bit wonky, I think. So I just got to make sure. If it's in 4, it'll do fine. Once it's in 2, I'm not moving. So let's pray the 4 stays engaged.
we found some spoon. We're gonna have some KD craft dinner. Yo, get some speed. You're gonna get stuck there.
Oh no!
Kid's 4x4 doesn't even work.
4x is engaged. She goes.
Sick. Yo, it's flex season though. You're actually flexing quite a bit. Oh, don't do that. Do you want me to come hop on the back?
Rig's doing good. No worries so far. Pretty capable so far too. Let's see what Luke's gonna do here. He said he's going full send. How deep is that? Awesome. Oh, he's just gonna swim. A mud bog? This is the tough part. Go backwards through it. It's pretty sloppy though. Yeah. Loyalty.
Are you dropping a hint?
Boys are dropping.
Now he's gonna go get stuck. No, he's got 4x working now. It's like whistling. What is that?
Jeez, your face. Bird and rubber. Keep going. Drop. You're good. We haven't been that way, so wish this guy luck. Oh, that. No way. No way, Luke. That's iffy. Dude! What is this guy doing? Oh, you're good, dude. Keep going. Uh-oh. You lost grip. There you go. Are you taking in water?
How shallow is it here?
I think it's good here. The more forward you go, the worse it's gonna get, I think. That's it. Hey, you're keep going. You got grip still. You're good. Just be smart. It's the struggle here, guys. He's dipping in pretty deep there.
What do you call it?
I can tow you out from back there. What do you think? You need a tow?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, dude, you're pushing mud. Like, there's mud against your bumper. You in 4?
Yo, get ready for a tow. Let's get it set.
Okay. Luke's swimming. Dude, this guy just sent
I'm
it.
getting a full, like, what is it called? Muddy?
Luke forgot he doesn't have a lift kit. Jeez. Wow. I like the full send though. Guys, we're literally scuba diving here. Okay, I'm coming to check it as well. With the... So I gave him 2-3 tugs. Kinda helped, but they're in neutral. So they're not helping like with their wheels at all. So it's kind of tough. It's such a little rig. See, marching? Luke's a... Whoa! Whoa, whoa.
That's a little wet.
Whoa.
It's not bad.
Should I start it?
No,
Oh.
dude, my hands are by the fan. Don't even touch it.
Oh, dude,
There's
there's
an
like a wall.
There's an exposed. Look at this.
Oh my
fan.
gosh, Luke, like this is where it should be, and Luke's freaking
I'm in
tiny.
it. Look at that fan. If she turns it on, I'm gonna lose a finger. But look at it. We got lots of room. It's wet.
Wait, where is it sucking in from though?
I don't know. I'm trying to take this off right now.
Like, cause you gotta find where it sucks in, and it's usually the fender. So.
It sucks in right here. Yeah.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, I think
Oh,
we're
you're
fine.
good. But the thing is, the fan throws water, right?
There's probably not that much water in it though.
No, if it's not underwater, I think you're able to start it.
Okay,
So what we'll do? Let me get ready. We'll start it up and just give her in reverse, and I'll pull.
Fucking ankle deep.
Luke just sends it for the content. He just wants to be famous. Look
Ah.
at the aftermath. We actually got it out pretty easy.
You want
How
some?
was it?
That was
Once
good.
it
You need some
turned
nitrile gloves? Want some gloves?
Those are nice.
Want some gloves?
Those are some nice gloves. Thanks for the offer. But look at this thing. It's just
Oh my
so.
God.
Dude,
But-
it needed a vacuum anyway.
Yeah, it needed a rinse.
How's the front
You're,
looking?
dude, you're
We're
good.
golden.
Like you're honestly fine. As long as it's running good. Luke just sent it, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button for Luke, right, Luke?
Dude, I need to buy a new pair of shoes. Come
Yeah,
look at my
we gotta help Luke get some Yeezys now.
shoes. Wait, come show him the shoes.
Dude, and Rachel put Luke's wallet on the roof, and it stayed up
She
there.
put her phone up there too.
No, I think
While
I
we were
right
towing
now.
it
Why would
out,
you do it again?
Luke's wallet was on the roof. Okay.
Okay, take a look under there. Take a peek.
Dude, just leave it there, honestly.
I'm gonna run it over. It's gonna get stuck.
But dude, we're gonna have to
Can we
put it
cut it?
back there when you send it back through for the second time.
Can we cut?
So Luke's been draining his freaking wheel wells with the water. So funny, guys. Leave a thumbs up for that. That was hilarious. But we're not even done yet, guys. We're still going. Ranger's been doing so well. Besides from much flex from the front because of the torsion, but it's doing awesome. And the 4x likes to not engage all the time, so we gotta watch that. But here he comes. Yeah, the little rig that could. All right, we're back on the road, boys. We got this little spot here. Rig, my Dodge bottomed out. This guy should be good. Yeah, a little bottom out, actually, not bad. Let's see what Luke's up to there. Tons of room. Woo! Easy.
My window, Luke.
Oh, windows, yeah. That was like we were plowing there.
Ford, nothing but loyal today. So is Luke's.
Mine's way better, dude.
Yours is loyal, dude.
Turn into a
If I'm
submarine
giving it
for a little
something,
bit.
it's loyalty. So Luke's got a crazy squeal from the brakes. We're gonna try and figure that out. But that's pretty much it for this vid, everybody.
Thing got sloshed out.
Luke sent it for you guys. Like, the guy's just at heart YouTuber. All right, dude. Until next time, everybody. Everybody subscribe. Subscribe to the boys. Hit that like button for the submarine back there. And we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.